Code Cloud IT. ITT.
Hey everyone.
Hello.
So in today's episode, we will talk about something everyone absolutely hates. It is taking notes out of the meeting
and documenting our work.
Exactly. So documenting, and we will try to make it as frictionless as possible with use of AI. And what is the issue that we face day to day? Like, we talk to different people in teams with developers, people like that, and we take some decisions after some time. And those decisions, I had the situation actually today, like somebody told me, okay, so we came to an agreement, let's now do something and document that after we came to this agreement. And everyone is like,
nobody wanted to do that.
I hope that it's not me this time, right? And nobody wants to do it. So to do it frictionless, we can actually start using AI to do that for us.
Why not?
Yes. And so we will make a small exercise of just discussing which language we prefer to use in a business application. It will be a big fight of Python versus C#, which language we want more, and we will assume we want to host it in Azure to make it a bit easier for us to come to the conclusion. Also, we will use something like Supernormal for meeting notes capture. So that's the thing that we will use to capture the notes out of the meeting. And then what we will do, we will feed this data into ChatGPT to make the summary for us based on those notes. The best thing is it's all free. Like ChatGPT is free. Supernormal at a certain limit is also free, up to 20 meetings a month from what I've seen. So yeah, we can do it because every day we don't take those decisions and we don't need to document that much, and 20 is still better than 0. So it may be worth to do it this way. All right, but first the discussion. So let me switch the scene to our talking heads camera view, and let's have a conversation. So Grzegorz, tell me, why would I want to use Python in Azure for business application?
Hey, let's introduce AI to our application.
Well, just to be clear, Microsoft claims they are good with every programming language, but obviously, like, it's the easiest to go with C#. It would be much easier to hire a developer who knows both C# and Azure rather than Python and Azure, for example. So I think we got the decision. Yeah, I think we got the decision. All right, and we're back. So what are we seeing here, Grzegorz?
We are seeing here our meetings, and we can see that actually the description of the meeting is quite accurate, I would say. Mm-hmm. Let's see what we have inside. We have that we talked for 14 minutes. Okay, and yeah, we have action items from our meeting here.
Oh no, the worst.
No, we have to do something. Stop AI, don't do that for us. Don't do that to me. Come on. And quick summary. And I think we can grab the summary, paste it into GPT, and ask for ADR from this meeting. What do you think? Mm-hmm.
Yeah, after you'll click that you are super satisfied with the notes, right? Just give them a good feedback because we use them in our video.
Let's see what will GPT print from this, and then I can give a feedback. Okay. I cannot take everything, so... Oh, I can. Okay, I'm satisfied.
Okay, so now we copy that text from the summary and we paste that into ChatGPT. And what's the prompt? How are you doing, prompt developer?
That's a good question. My prompt will be that, considering the notes below, please prepare the architecture decision record for me.
One of them, because you got a plural. in their records even.
Records. Sorry. Let's see. Actually, it looks promising. It got the idea what the architecture decision record is. It knows some like basic scheme of that. So what should be inside this record?
Yeah, it like understands the template. What should the architectural decision record include? What kind of sections? What are the consequences, for example? What is the decision as the headline, as you can see, the first one, context, what options we considered, stuff like that. So this is what a decision record should be. Okay, so it looks like we've got something. It looks decent, at least. And the sections are like, it has concept of what should be included in the architectural decision record, right? For us, we got decision, context, what options we had, some decision drivers, decision outcome, what are the consequences of this decision, stuff like that. So maybe let's just have a quick look of each of the section if we agree with that after what we've heard during our conversation.
Okay, so let's go section by section. The decision team has decided to use C#. I think that's exactly what we did. So
seems like, yeah.
Checked. Context. The team has been discussing the choice of programming language for a business application. That's true. Main contenders are Python and C#, also true. Python already known by a significant portion of the team, while C# offers better control over compiled code and supports object-oriented programming principles more effectively.
Yep.
That's what we talked about. Options, yeah, definitely. Drivers. Knowledge of Python within the team. Yeah, that was mentioned. Easy of writing and less code required in Python for business applications. Python's suitability for data-heavy and mathematical operations. And potential AI integration. C# better control over compiled code. Yep. And object-oriented programming principles. Rules encapsulation in large business application. Yeah, we need that. We discussed that we need that.
It's a very bold
very
point,
important driver for us. And a little bit of developers with C# and Azure skills. Yeah, that's also mentioned at the end. Yeah. The outcome. C# has been chosen as the primary language. While Python offers advantages in terms of ease of use, less code required, suitability for data-heavy operations and AI integration, maybe not the best choice for a large business application that requires strict rules and encapsulation. Existing knowledge of Python will still be valuable for microservices. I think here it's lost a little bit in that. I mean,
that's what we exactly talked about, right? We can use it in some context for AI modeling, for some microservices with those models, right? But however, for main business applications, C# provides better control over the code, right?
However, yeah.
Makes sense. Absolutely.
Makes sense.
Absolutely.
Okay, I agree. First, I thought that it may be losing something, like it didn't catch exactly what we wanted microservices for, but I just had to read the whole sentence.
Yeah. Classic. Just the
classic
title,
developer. Classic Python developer.
And then after some time, like, that there was this thing in the documentation, but very badly visible. However, okay, consequences, resources as time for learning their knowledge of C# and Azure. So it's kind of an investment. We decide gonna go full steam with that. Or full epic, and the business applications with benefits for better control, blah, 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 looks good. It looks like something I would absolutely almost copy and paste to my ADR, but there's one thing I wanted to do.
I just pasted for here, and now we can go back to GPT.
Exactly. And ask it for one thing. You probably guess. It's easy to guess. Can you do it in Markdown?
looks the same.
Doesn't look like the thing that I was looking for.
I think you wanted something like that.
Exactly, yes. And this is exactly what I would like it to produce. So now I'm happy with it. I wanted a markdown file that I can take, copy, paste, job done. Nothing else needed. I didn't need to write any of that stuff. Cool. Feel free to copy and paste. Yeah, that's exactly what I want to do. Cool. It looks absolutely great. I am really, really happy with the outcome. Really happy with the outcome. It's like absolutely useful for what we wanted to achieve, and for future developers that will come over and will want to know what exactly happened in this, like why are we using C#? Hey guys, that's why.
Yeah. And also, always if they want to have more details, you can show maybe
the transcription, for example.
Yes. I'm showing it right now. Yeah. See, also you can see the whole conversation we had. So if they want to have more context, even after like reading the ADR, they can go directly to conversation.
Nobody will spend time on it. So the ADR
maybe
is
some
short...
Python developers, very like, the ones who are very
unsatisfied with the decision. All right, cool. That will be it. We hope it will be useful. And actually, that's something that is really, really useful as well for me. So thanks, Gregor, for showing that. I didn't know the tool. I know that Teams, Microsoft Teams in a premium tier, they tend to do summaries like that as well, with their... It's either Teams Copilot or whatever else, but it's GPT-4 underneath. They do the summaries based on that. So if you have those teams, it also might be a valuable option for you, and you get the summary. But with the summary, you can always take it and change it to be in a format that everyone does as an industry standard. So that's also valuable thing to do. All right, that would be it probably. That concludes our today's episode, and hopefully it will be useful for you. Thanks, Grzegorz. Thanks, everyone, and see you in the next episode. Cheers. Bye-bye.
Thank you. Bye.